Today we have GMC Sierra 2014. Its problem is P2534 ignition on switch start circle low voltage. Okay, as you know, everything is okay, but when I'm trying to manual, it's not working. Okay, as you can see, it's naughty. But if I got it into manual not working, and check engine every time come. Okay. As you have what I found, first of all you have to take fuses. Okay. I got this fuse. You can see this is broken from inside. Okay, it is 14 fuse, 14 number fuse. This one 41. This one is, you see, this one is trans ignition switch. Okay, only problem is this fuse. Okay, this one I put their new fuse. Then we have going to, there is 4 report. You can see P07. It's, if you got fault in gear, in transmission, in the ECM, he say P70707. But if you enter in transmission control, you got this P25304. Okay, I'm going to put this. Okay, now it is clear. Okay, what is this? This is also problem in transmission, but we are going to working on transmission control. Okay, as you can see, we have put into manual. Now it's working. Okay, first it's not working. It's only this fuse problem. One fuse can make big problems, you know.